Porsche thrills its owner every day, every mile. But sometimes they part ways to start afresh. How better to prepare a Porsche for its next life than with the Porsche-approved pre-owned program? Your Porsche will be prepared by fully trained Porsche technicians here at Porsche Centre Newcastle, including a 111-point check, using genuine Porsche parts and backed up with a minimum of 24 months Porsche-approved warranty and Porsche assistance. We will ensure that the route maintenance, due within 3 months or 3,000 miles, will be completed prior to delivery. A full 12 months MOT will be provided for cars over 3 years old. With Porsche, performance safety is paramount. We will ensure all tyres are N-rated and have a minimum remaining tread depth of 3 millimeters. And finally, your new Porsche will be fully valeted and ready for collection, giving you the confidence that your approved Porsche is ready for its next journey or life. There are no old Porsches, just new owners.